Hey, can I gombal to you?
Okay.
No.
Okay.
Hey,
Means
what's your name? I want to know you.
Ella. Why
Ella.
you want to know me?
No, I just want to know you. That's why I'm asking your
How old
name.
are you? How old are you?
I'm 40 years old.
No.
Why you don't believe me? I'm trying to be honest with you.
You're not that old.
So guess, how old am I?
26.
You not
Wah,
miss.
26.
Yeah, I'm Donam.
Aku coba berapa?
You so young.
Like what?
20.
Tebak. No.
21?
22, 23, 24?
No, no, no. 18.
No.
Come on. 25.
Berapa tuh? No.
17.
Oh my god. No, I'm 13.
13. You might be kidding me. You might be kidding me.
Kakak bercanda bercanda. Aku 23.
Yes, yang tadi saya bilang benar tuh. Saya tebak benar. Kamu 23.
Kamu bilang 25.
Enggak, tadinya saya bilang 20, habis itu 23.
Enggak, 21. Aku ingat. Kamu Medan.
Saya bukan orang Indonesia. Saya bukan orang Indonesia sama sekali.
Kamu ini dah Timor.
Iya, tahulah saya orang Timur, Timur
Kamu
Leste.
Timor. Aku bukan Jakarta, bukan Medan. Aku Jawa.
Saya tahu
Surabaya.
kata-kata ini Jawa sedikit sih.
Saya Surabaya.
Iya. Puzonen di mbak. Puzonen di.
Gak duwe bojo. Ya apa sih? I don't have. Wait. In Timor, what do you use? What language do you use?
Tetum.
What is that?
Seperti Jawa bicara Jawa.
Seperti Jawa.
Ya.
Kayak apa coba?
Oke, I'm gonna teach you some Timorese language ya. Contohnya begini. Dia kalai.
Dia kalai.
Ya.
What is kalai?
That means apa kabar?
I think dia is you. Dia you.
No. But this is like diak. N with a K. Diak. I'm gonna teach you one more thing. Hadomi o.
What does that mean?
Come on, say that.
How hadomio?
Ooh, perfect.
What does that mean?
Say that again.
How hadomeo? How hadomeo?
Ooh.
Apa?
I love you.
How hadomeo is I love you.
You smart.
I just graduated 6 months ago and I didn't get a job until now.
I told you. Some people
What?
they good at school.
I'm not good at school.
Listen. Some people they are good at school, but some people they are lucky in life.
So I'm not lucky and I'm also not good.
Maybe not your time.
6 months, it's too much.
You still young. You just 23. Still long way to go. No, listen. You
Just
long way to go.
older 3. What?
You have a long way to go. Not now. Maybe 5 years more.
What? I did 5 years. Udah beneran.
That's why. Kamu sangat cute sekali kamu.
Like what?
You cute. I mean, imut maksudnya imut. Your face, your eye. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. That's cute. Hey, selamat Hari Idul Fitri. Mohon maaf dan lahir batin.
Actually, this morning I need to pray, to wake up early, and then I pray Idul Fitri.
Then you forgot.
No, I'm here. I've not forgot.
No,
I'm here.
it's not the time yet. Maybe 6 in the morning.
Yes, it's okay. Hey, but I get jealous because my friends having a relationship, like now I alone. Kayak sebelumnya aku kemana-mana kan sama temen-temen.
Damn, this is